Hi guys. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to share the information about to fix Orbi Satellite not connecting to router's Wi-Fi network. Let's start. If your Orbi Satellite not connecting to router, then you first need to verify the power status of your router and satellites. Here, you need to check the power LED status. Sometimes, due to power adapter issue, your Orbi Satellite not connected with the router device. If the device power LED is not stable or fluctuating, then you need to change the power adapter. If everything is fine, then you need to go for the next step. You need to restart all the devices if your Orbi Satellite not connecting to router. Here, you can also unplug the cable connection and then plug it back. Sometimes, a restart or power cycle process helps to provide the better connectivity. After the power cycle, check the connection. If it still does not connect, then try the next step. Reset your Orbi router to its factory default settings. Here you need to use a paperclip to reset the router. Press and hold the reset button for 5 seconds and then release it. Wait for 2 minutes to complete the reset process. Again, check the connection. I hope it will work. Otherwise, try the next step. Check the placement of your Orbi satellite if not connecting to router. Here, you need to place satellites at table height in open areas, not inside cabinets or near metal shelves. Place it in a central spot, about 30 to 40 feet from the router device. Always keep router and satellites away from microwaves, cordless phones, and fish tanks. You need to check the firmware on your Orbi app or website. To check the firmware in the Orbi app, connect your phone to the Orbi router's Wi-Fi network. Open the Orbi app. Go to the router settings. Scroll down and tap Check for updates, then follow the instructions. If needed a firmware update, then you can simply tap on the Update button. If you have done all the steps and failed to connect your satellite, the LED still shows magenta or blinking amber. It means there is a hardware issue. You need to replace the product. Before replacing this product, you can contact us for a one-time connection test. If we can help to fix the problem of the Orbi satellite not connecting to the router, please give us a chance to fix it. Thanks for watching.